The ecological footprint of flying.
If you compare the ecological footprint of various types of travelling, one thing becomes clear. Flying consumes by far the most resources. So why did former Lufthansa CEO Mehr say that flying's the most ecological way to travel? Probably because he worked for an airline. Also, he referred to fuel consumption. But even if you compare fuel per passenger, flying is still worse than driving. So where does the huge footprint come from? Besides carbon emissions and limited legroom, flying has even more negative consequences on us and our environment. Planes emit other greenhouse gases, like nitric oxide, which creates ozone. You might know ozone as the stuff that hangs out in a protective layer around our planet. But outside the ozone layer, it's a potent greenhouse gas that heats up the climate. And do you know the trail planes leave on the sky? This is water vapour from the plane's engine. In cold air, it forms condensation trails, which may develop into cirrus clouds. During the night, these clouds prevent heat escaping the Earth and thus warm up the climate. And did you know that a big part of a flight's ecological impact is happening on the ground? All airports in Europe need twice as much space as the entire infrastructure of cars and trains together. Also, getting to the airport requires travelling on its own. Taking the train instead of the plane would save 95% of the travel's ecological footprint.
Doing better starts with knowing better. Goodprint. Steps towards a sustainable year.